See, I'm recording now. Yeah, this is getting fun.
Wait, you're a rec YouTuber?
Maybe, I don't know. I'm just filing games at the moment. It's mainly rec room I've been recording. I will try and find a way to record Roblox. And, well, I don't remember. Whistle and some other games. I will find a game to record.
My game.
Yeah, that's on rec room, but this is, I know Roblox. In yours, will you ever try and learn coding in Roblox if you play it enough?
Maybe. Probably not.
This is the bit where I like to wait first to record.
Yeah, because working studio and Roblox studio is just the same thing.
Oh, guys, we have everyone we need to. I can't invite anyone.
Okay.
They just need to come in, and we should be good.
Yeah. Now it's got my video in.
Right away.
Come on, please don't disconnect halfway through. Loading in, cause that's fun when that happens. Yeah. Totally
Someone's stuck.
I'm totally not just gonna lose to this. I hope this is a good idea. Yeah.
Oh, Sparkle's
Oh
doing
yeah, okay.
Yes!
Okay, we're good. We're cooking, guys, we're cooking.
Yeah, this is
I
great.
am first. Because I have nothing.
No, you're gonna do amazing.
You're gonna be good.
Yeah.
No. Let's see how long I can get my location away with these fireworks.
You wanna get all the getaway to you?
Just the 3. More is good, but well, I want to see how long I can use this thing what gives fireworks long as possible, and every time gonna high five people when I'm on a generator just because I want to give my location away even more.
And repair the
Okay,
power
I'm at
generators.
I'm also at green.
My God.
Get on Jen. That's good enough for giving location away for now.
Oh, go.
See what my plan is?
I'm coming for you.
Yeah, every time you get on Jen, carry on high-fiving. Just over and over and over again, do the same thing. Even if I'm walking, I can just...
What were you doing?
Okay, Sparkles is on...
Okay, I'm gonna steal them.
on yellow. Sparkles are on yellow, so we got a
I'm
triangle maybe.
green to do like anything else.
We might triangle this. Might. Don't want to. But might.
Yeah, I'm gonna bait him and stuff.
Yeah. Shadow, you're gonna go over to, okay. Yes, this is dumb.
Hey, Bonky, I'm your biggest fan. Okay, I'm your second biggest fan.
Each time I high five someone, fireworks happen. So, it's giving away my location. And I love it.
Yeah, I'm just stalling him a green, you can do the generators.
Yeah, there we go.
Like that.
Just looping around green. You see, I love it.
Damn.
If he sees the fireworks, he will know which location I am. Also,
Please, I need it. Bonky, come back, Bonky. Please.
I'm going to the white.
Bonky, come
Come
back.
on.
He's going to...
Walls? You want to
Bonky,
carry
come
on working
back.
on, well, Jen's now? Go to the blue?
He's running away from me. Go away, go. Just keep running away.
Funny. This looks like you're fighting. That's too close. I love it.
Yeah, you find me. Can look you at. I'm kinda like here.
I love how they just give our location. This
Yeah, where are
firework
you?
thing, it's definitely not working, but I like it.
Oh, you
It's a great idea. Who's the one with the mic that's picking up people? Is that Shadow? Okay, Sparkles.
Yeah, sorry, I'm close to the background.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yo.
Hey, Bonks! Bonks, my turn! Have you? Come on, Bonky! Follow me! Bonky, follow me! You'll be able to see me the closest. See, Bonky, do you want some fun chasement? I got fun chasement, buddy. I got some fun chasing. I'm the fun chaser. Come on! You're gonna have fun chasing me.
How about we go?
I want to take the bonks.
Okay, I'm on top.
Hey, Shadow, go take purple in yours. I want to get annoyed the bonks for a bit. Entertainment! Generally serious here. I want to get the bonks entertaining. Because otherwise, just having no entertainment for, well, you. I can see what's going on, and I love it. It's just chaos. Yeah, this is general. Hey, Bonks! I'm on the other side of the tent. Not moving. Walk around, buddy. Walk around.
Frick you. I can barely. Okay, this moving thing is sucks.
No, it doesn't. Come on, you can do better than that.
I literally hit you. Come on.
No, you got some talent there.
Ah, my tiny arms.
You got
hit
some
you.
talent.
I hit you.
There you go. I finally got hit.
Finally. I need it.
Come on.
I need to get you. I know all of you are just distracted.
Yeah, what do you think, buddy? Distraction?
I think you're at either green, purple, or oh, actually, no, never mind.
You want to work on the blue? You can heal me on the blue. That's great. This is fun. Just getting tormenting Bonky with fireworks. I thought this video would be a dud idea, but a dumb idea. And yes, the dumb idea is working.
I've gone back on there.
Yeah, the funny thing is, just doing that to one of us, it's dumb. Because, well, we both have similar perks for what our job are.
Yeah, I know.
What do you think my perk is?
You're healing. You are just a healer.
No.
Yes. And if I get you out, then
I'm not the healer.
I know you are.
I'm the distraction.
The other one.
I'm the distraction, buddy. That's my job. I can run through. I can run through more.
Monkey, I'm the healer, motherfucker. You
Yeah,
can
I'm
game
the
a bunch very good. Yame's distraction 1, I'm distraction 2. You are definitely not the healer.
No, Wolves is the healer, but he's doing his job. Okay, I need to fix that problem. The fizz in there. There's black lines. Can't figure out how to fix it now. Yay! More stamina. We're coming. We'll come. More stamina for me. More fun and games for Bonky. See, I'm generally gonna just run the block. Don't play the game, it sucks. And see, which generator left to get? I don't know. I generally have no clue which generator is the last one. Green slide is not one. Walls, come over to green. Come to green, buddy. And then I'll do my funness to Bonky in a minute. See, if you take my spot on the gen. Oh, he left. Okay. Shadow, do you want this? I'll get the bonks. Okay, you want to get it done? Okay. And then I'll take the bonks and annoy him. I'm going to annoy the different layout for Bonky. You want to get the... So both gates are open. Now we do the thing. Hey buddy! Do you want to know my actual job? Do you want to know my job? Do you want to know my job? Follow! You won't be able to catch me because of how much stamina I got. I got a butt ton of stamina. And he left. I love it. We love how much stamina I get at home. I mean, generally my job is to distract Bonky. Distraction after distraction. We can't get any more XP out of it, that's the thing. Well, we now leave. It was only going to be a short video, well. See, here's the thing, it's only a short video. It was only going to be one round.